everywhere we carry flame and a lighter.
Who left to sell me out? Just tell me now. Who left to switch?
Yeah, what style, man? For your device, I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton, then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean, I say, yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them, man. You hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Fine wine, white wine, lobster.
Viewers and subscribers, all if I work you have to put in, you can talk so and sing so, you know, and depend on level, you know. I mean, as the viewers and subscribers, just to drop a song with title them life, yeah. And a whole heap of thing the artists are saying other song, your viewers and subscribers. Remember, say Jahshii a fall out like grand spending no money, out like garrison no money, out like slum, you know. And if you know, say, yo, a whole heap of fight the artists get when coulda do whole heap of negative thing, a whole heap of badness, and stay constructive and do positive songs same way and I make him fans them know say I want to know I want First Nation, you know, man. So you don't know say we have to stay constructive. You see me? And do the right thing and stay focused and know say yo and we work we out here do, you know, man, and you don't know say yo we there do the right thing and I entertain. So if now fall for what go on the demotivation and motivation in my work for you. See me? So me I say First Nation, go on the right thing, you know, man. And me I say, yo, everybody we are work with First Nation, you don't know whole heap of respect same way, you know, man. You don't know a thing, you know. And we I say how them life, yeah, a whole heap of thing the artists I say about them life, yeah, cause where you come from a state or you reach one state, you can talk about it and sing about it because you're proud of where you reach, you see me? No joke. So it's a good look for the artist. So me I say me make on listen to this more song and jump in and other review down. 100.
We live life fast, check out the whip dash, couple young juvenile where you make.
And don't let me down. And a lucky thing, me skill me would make it out.
Yo, that mood I want to know to in a artist. I mean I say viewers and subscribers, squash drop a song with title. Tell me no. More know who switch up for me, more know who are my enemy, more know who are instigate me. Yes man, and that the concept that me I get out of song, cause you don't know say artists they are venting, man, and a whole heap of thing we hear about 6 bars and 6 bars this and squash that and squash this. You see me? So the artists are saying whole heap of things here, man, and stay relevant, cause a whole heap of thing we in the media about the artists same way, you know, man. And we have the 6 bars, go and hold it, you know. You see me? Yeah, I want firm youth, strong artists same way, powerful artists we always I feed the people them with what they want same way. You see, pre a whole heap of style you have in a dance hall, you see me? They can't take that from you, no care what they must say, you see me? So me I say viewers and subscribers want to know if you take your time out and go by artists them Vivo and make them know say a Soji TV Entertainment so no know over there. Cause you don't know say we there put in the work in the man. And we not drop no catch no man as we sit now we can run with it, we are run with it same way cause we are do free work and the artist are venting him song, you know. You see me? When you need to allow squash alone and just send him ready man thing make him put out him song them, you see me? Yes man, say if you don't have nothing against the artist, you no need to scandal the artist name and try to get down the artist in a way cause you don't know pressures of life, you know, man, and that bust pipe, you see me? And we don't know, so we don't want the artist to appear in a negative, more than one negative with them talk about the artist said way. So we just there and I stay relevant same way and I say viewers and subscribers go and go check out the artist them and make them know say I mean say no know over there in the comment section the song them go and pin so we can link press the link and go straight to it, the song them and listen them for yourself and you can be notified each time when we drop a video by hit the bell icon, you see me? Yes man, so me I say what good now. I want everybody to have a productive Easter now and enjoy yourself. You see free.